What is going on, All-Terrain Nation? Today on the show, we are looking at Advanced Fiberglass Concepts, and they have a new Bronco Hardtop that's actually, there's proof in the pudding. We'll go back a few months ago. They started taking pre-orders. They started showing some renderings of some new hardtop they were working on, and of course, we've all seen their fenders that they do. They do the square fenders for the Ford Bronco, and lots of people were really excited by it, and I was a little skeptical just because I hadn't... You know, it's hard to get for me to get too excited because I've seen over the years of covering the off-road world, people bring things out in renderings, they take money, and I in bad cases, I've seen them never deliver and nobody gets their money back. So I'm always just a hair skeptical about this stuff, but obviously this is a big company. They make quite a bit of product. So, you know, skepticism aside, we knew they were going to deliver the product. So, but all we have seen some renderings, and we've seen some crazy prices on them, and, you know, prices more than I would want to spend, but you probably get what you pay for. I can't say you do because I haven't seen their quality just yet. But what we have seen is they've been teasing us on old Instagram, and let's jump right over here on Instagram. And this is from their Instagram. Of course, I will link to the video below if you want to check it out yourself. But as you can see, you can't see anything just yet, but let's watch the video, and I'm going to kind of react to this.
Finally here, the Bronco Hardtop. Thank you so much for your patience, and let me show you around. This has got to be my favorite part, the slanted angle in the rear.
All right, so slanted angle in the rear. If you look at this, I wish they would have had a more kind of direct view of this, but I like what I'm seeing so far. The glass seems to fit well, and thanks, play button, for being in my way there. But the attention to detail, they didn't go nuts. I will say something I don't like about the best top soft top replacement that is being offered is I feel like the angle for the rear glass is just a little too harsh. On 2 doors it works pretty good. On 4 doors, to me personally, it's just a little too much. But as you can see here, this looks pretty good. It actually looks factory. I wouldn't complain about this by any means. And you can still see right up here, you can see they still have like the factory roof mounts. So well thought out about that. I'm glad, even though I'm not a big fan of Ford's factory roof options, I think that aftermarket usually kind of cleans those things up, and I'm glad that they kept the factory mounts so that down the road, in case anybody wants to, you know, add those options later, they can. So let's click on.
The OEM's got a straight square back style. We have that slanted style, which fits that retro look. We took 0 shortcuts to develop our hardtop. From the ground up, it is completely different.
All right, so from the ground up, they're saying it's completely different. I will say this, and I wish I could zoom in on this, but I kind of like that it's a glossy black finish to this. I'm not sure the materials they've used or how they're going about this. They're a fiberglass company. I'll have to dig in deeper down the road, but I like the outside looks of this. Once again, that rear glass looks proportionate, looks great in there, and I like how the glass has just a little bit of tilt with it, you know, so it kind of matches the back end of this thing. But let's see anything left on this.
There are over 102 pieces to actually make this individual hardtop. Yeah, 102.
102 pieces, huh? I know nothing about the manufacturing of this, but that's pretty crazy. I don't know why it's a selling point, but I guess it is. But you can also see their square fenders, which I'm a big fan of, and I would like to have those down the road on my Bronco. Problem with the fiberglass stuff is you got to kind of massage it a little bit. They're not just direct bolt-ons, and you know, to make it work, you got to kind of make it work a little bit. But I'm happy that they were one of the first to come out and really attack this and you know, make the Bronco look like it kind of should have from the factory. So I love my Bronco to death, but the round fenders, go on. But I do, once again, I like how this looks. This looks factory. It almost looks, I hate to say it looks better than factory from what I've seen of Ford's tops.
Excited for the quality, fit, and finish of our Bronco hardtop.
And that's the video. So in the comments below, obviously they will be, I'm sure they're going to be teasing us more the weeks to come. I know from there, it says the feedback we've been receiving from Ford Bronco Hardtop has been spectacular. Again, thank you for your support and patience during this entire process. Check out our stores for the most commonly asked questions, and stay tuned for more updated photos and videos. So if you want to, it's ADV Fiberglass on Instagram if you want to go check them out. And I will be checking this out because I'm pretty excited for it. So in the comments below, Obviously, we know the price is it's a little spendy, but it looks like you're getting if you had to choose between this and the OEM top, I'm going this direction all day long. So whether it be 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, or this hardtop my ride might need, this has been your All Terrain Nation. I'm your host, Dave Boyd, and we're out. Peace, everybody. Love y'all.